Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. I have a few packages here. It's time to find out what's inside. It's funny, I was just watching the movie 7 last night.
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
The vegan zombie, plant powered. We need to open these. This might be a little bit overkill. I hear it glows blue when orcs come. We'll put that to the side just in case. That's more like it. Open. Herbaland, plant-based omega-3 for adults. This company has all kinds of vegan vitamins, gummy vitamins for adults and for kids. In fact, I use these ones every day. Vegan D3 and B12, which is probably the two main vitamins most people need. They do have all kinds of different vitamins. They all taste different. I have to say, these taste so good I could probably eat the whole bottle, but you're not supposed to do that. So I have one a day. I'll link it in my description below. If you guys are looking for B12, vitamin D3, check these out. And then this is the Omega. I haven't tried these yet, so I'm looking for it. You know what? I'll have one right now. The vitamin B12, D3 are my favorite tasting ones. Hopefully these ones taste just as good. These are like an orange gummy. And they're just as good. I could probably eat all of these and all of these in one setting. We don't do that. One a day. And how many does it come with? 90 gummies. So 3 months worth. That's pretty good. Herbaland. Definitely check those guys out if you're looking for vitamins. Good for the brain. And I need my brain. I don't want to give it away to those zombies. So this one is a package from Vigilantes. And look at that. It's got a little drawing of a zombie there. We have here, look at that t-shirt. I love it. It's got the pig and it says all kinds of vegan kindness, love, meat is murder, and it's on a very, very comfortable material. This is like a brownish color. Vigilantes. This one is from Babble on Babylon. And we have another t-shirt. Vegan Sabbath, Master of Protein. A reference to Black Sabbath. Alright, so Babble on Babylon. Thanks guys. Never have you ever snacked veggies like this. Made in nature. This is what we have, a whole care package full of different made in nature items. We have Veggie Pops. These are salt and pepper super snacks, Veggie Pops. Got a couple bags of those. Kale, chickpeas, cauliflower, sea salt, and black pepper. Organic dried vegetable snack. And then this one is the broccoli cheddar. These are all vegan, by the way. Broccoli cheddar, carrots, nuts, seeds, chickpeas. And then we have the Figgy Pops. Oh, okay, I remember these. We got Figgy Pops. And then they're mango, sweet and tangy super snacks. Organic dried mango and organic coconut chips. So those would be good to take with you on like a hike or something, or if you're going to the next town over when you're in the zombie apocalypse and you need to take some snacks with you. Made in nature. I will link these guys below in case you guys are interested. Checking them out. This is from Lotus Lava. It smells really good. I have no idea what it is yet. Lotus Lava and Apothecary. So that's probably why it smells so good. It really does. And we have a nice brick of gold. My problems are over. Oh no, it's just tissue paper. Dull Baltic Amber. Amber necklace. Shampoo and soap bar. Okay, so that's what smells so good right there. Soap bar. Soap bar. Soap bar. I don't know much about crystals, but my friend Cesar, he could definitely tell me what this is. Or maybe you guys can tell me what this is. Let me know in the comments below. What kind of crystal is Chris holding? Some kind of ite? Crystallite? Maybe it's kryptonite. I don't know. Lotus Lava. Thanks guys. Good Planet. Does anybody know what Good Planet is? They sell vegan cheese. Dairy-free cheddar. We've got Parmesan. Mozzarella. Oh, we got a lot more. These guys have some of the best vegan cheese I've ever had. They're out of Greece. And I love the branding on these packaging, it's really cool. You know, when I first went vegan, vegan cheese just wasn't where it should be. It was not good at all. And we've come a long way, and this is some of the best. So I can't wait to get to use it. I was fortunate enough to try this at one of the expos that I was just at, and I really like it. So I will link it below. I'm not sure where to find it in the United States. I'll have to find out if it's sold here and let you guys know. But if you ever see this at the store, pick it up. Good Planet. Pick it up, try it out. You won't regret it. We have American slices. Look at those. Dairy-free cheddar slices. Tomato basil. A hot pepper. Garlic and herb. Look at that. And the last one is smoked mozzarella. All right, I'm excited to try these out. Some of the recipes I'm doing with you guys, so thank you guys. Obviously, it's 100% plant-based. It's non-GMO, vegan. It is gluten-free, no allergens. Also perishable. Straight from Tofurky's office, we have 2 Tofurkys. Thank you guys. And by the way, there are so many roasts out there. I actually made my own. You can check that out in a few videos ago. But there are so many roasts out there, and they're all delicious. Tofurky just happens to be my favorite out of all the roasts. It's like a pillow. Am I cutting into a pillow? Yeah, dogs. I've had these yeah dogs at various Veg Fest. I think at the New England Veg Fest. Yeah, dogs. These are vegan hot dogs. You can check them out on yeahdogvegan.com. I especially like the package. We got some stickers. yeahdogvegan.com. Thanks, Yeah Dog. These will go to good use. And that's it for... Special delivery. All the way from Berlin, Germany, from Vegans. Let's open this up and see what's inside. For those of you that don't know, Vegans is an all-vegan grocery store. So let's see what they sent me. We have a Vegans cutting board. That's pretty cool. I can't read what this says, but these are vegan cookies and pretzels, it looks like. Cacao maca bar. So this looks like a goodie bag, and these are white chocolate covered almonds, I think. I can't read it. It's in German. I can't say very many German words, but when I was there they taught me how to say Eichhörnchen. You guys know what that means, comment below. We have some gummies, vegan gummies. A bliss ball. And this is a chalk bar crisp. So maybe white chocolate or something? Gut für dich, besser für alle. Dear Chris, here's a small thank you for your help with all the World Vegan Day campaign. All the best from Berlin, the Vegans team. Cool. It looks like we have some Vegans chocolate bars. White chocolate, pure chocolate, milk with a Y. And then we have some white chocolate, rice chocolate. By the way, Germany has some pretty good chocolate. So that was the last package from Vegans. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. I got a couple more packages, rush delivery, so I'm gonna add them to this video and then we can finally end it. So, let's see what we have here. Let's get right into there. Lion's mane from Eve's Adam. And this is ashwagandha. And some apple cider vinegar. So let's see what these are. These are all non-GMO vegan. The apple cider vinegar is for blood sugar, weight loss, bloating, cholesterol, blood pressure, acid reflux, gut health, and heart health. So all natural. The ashwagandha has black pepper extract for maximum absorption. And this is supposed to be for your blood sugar, stress, anxiety, depression, strength, inflammation, cholesterol, and memory. And then the last one here is lion's mane, and this one is for brain, nerves, immune system, inflammation, heart, gut, metabolism, liver, and focus. I have not tried any of these out before, but I'm looking forward to seeing how they work. If you guys have tried these before, let me know in the comments below. I'll link them below if you guys are interested in checking them out, if you think that there's something that might help you out. And then the next package here, we're just gonna tear right into it. Bam. What's in the package? V-Dog. Oh, I know a certain someone who would love a pack of these. So we have V-Dog breath bones. Indy the pup loves these. He'd go through the whole pack in a couple minutes if I'd let him. V-Dog is an all vegan dog food company. They're premium dog food, hypoallergenic, which has really helped Indy. Indy, when I first got him when he was a puppy, he had parvo and he almost died. It messed up his digestive system, and after that he was on vet prescribed formulas and nothing was really helping him. And then finally, when he was about a year old, I said, like, you know what, I'm just gonna transition him over to a vegan diet. I did that and he started to get better immediately. I put him on V-Dog, and then, like, because he had rashes and stuff before, everything cleared up. He's been happy and healthy now for what? He's almost 8 years old now, so I'd say around 6 years or so he's been on V-Dog and he's been doing great. He's 110 pounds, smart, happy, healthy. Where is that pup? Smells pretty good. Here we go. So if you have a pup friend of your own, definitely look into V-Dog. I'll link it below, and I actually have a little coupon code for brand new customers where you can save a little bit of money. And he loves it. And he loves his V-Dog. Every morning he eats his V-Dog with a sweet potato, and he loves his treats. And then the last thing I have is just something that I just want to shout out while we're here, is Annie Brand Footwear. These are an all vegan shoe company, and I love these shoes. They have the high tops, the low tops, and the slip-ons. I wear all of them. I've been wearing them now for about 2 years. They're my favorite shoe. They're really light. As I said, all vegan company. They fit nice to your foot. I like that they're all one color like that. And I will also link those below as nature intended. So that's it for real this time. Thanks for watching. I'll do another one of these soon. If you have anything to send, the address is below. Just make sure it's vegan. Give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time. Come on, Indy, let's go.